Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change coolant in Volkswagen Atlas. Begin by parking on level ground and allowing the engine to fully cool before touching the cooling system. Gather new coolant, a drain pan, a funnel, and replacement hose clamps. Open the radiator drain slowly and collect fluid, then flush with distilled water until clear runs. Close drain, refill to proper level, bleed air, and check for leaks while warming engine gently. Start by placing a drain pan beneath the radiator and removing the lower drain or hose to let coolant out completely. After draining, reconnect hoses briefly and run distilled water through the system until it flows clear from the outlet. Ensure the engine is cool and dispose of used coolant properly at an approved facility. Tighten all fittings after flushing and prepare to refill with the correct Volkswagen-approved coolant mix. If this guide is helpful, subscribe and like to support more car maintenance videos. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is perfect for staying hydrated during long DIY sessions. It is leak-proof and easy to sip while working under the hood. I find it handy when handling coolant jobs, and it keeps spills off paperwork. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Refill slowly using the correct coolant type and concentration recommended for your Atlas, filling to the reservoir mark. Open bleed screws in sequence to allow air pockets to escape until a continuous coolant flow appears, then tighten screws securely. Run the engine with the heater on to circulate fluid and check temperature stability, topping off the reservoir as needed. Inspect hoses and clamps for leaks and recheck levels after a short test drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.